potassium-rich foods which can lower your blood pressure naturally. Sodium retention is a leading cause of high blood pressure. Potassium helps your body flush out the excess sodium, which reduces your blood pressure. That's why potassium is so important in reducing blood pressure and should be an important part of your overall diet. So let's look at the potassium-rich foods you should consider including in your diet. Number 1, avocado. Half of an avocado contains approximately 345 mg of potassium. It's naturally low in sodium. Half of an avocado contains only about 5 mg of sodium. Aside from that, it's also rich in vitamin C and E. These are antioxidant vitamins that play a major role in lowering high blood pressure. Number 2, potatoes. Although potatoes are high in potassium, they are good for heart health. This is because one small baked potato has 740 mg of potassium. You could choose between white, red or sweet potatoes. All three types of these popular potatoes are great for your heart and blood pressure. But make sure you cook them healthy, no fries, just boil or bake. Number 3, fruits. Some fruits are the easiest way to get the required dose of potassium. Bananas, cantaloupes and kiwis are excellent sources of this helpful mineral. Your blood pressure by 10% is reduced by eating bananas. Cantaloupes and kiwis are rich in vitamin C as well. Number 4, fish. Apart from being high in potassium, fatty fish such as salmon, tuna and mackerel are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These compounds improve the cell lining of blood vessels and reduce blood pressure. When buying fish, always choose fresh, frozen or tinned options. Avoid fish soaked in brine as this could increase sodium levels in your body. Number 5, dairy. Yogurt is rich in calcium, magnesium, potassium and vitamin D. All these nutrients help lower blood pressure. It also has active peptides because of fermentation. These peptides could also control your blood pressure. Milk has similar compositions except for the fermentation benefits. So it has some more amount of calories. Number 6, leafy greens. Potassium-rich greens such as kale, spinach and Roman lettuce are perfect additions to your morning smoothie to help lower blood pressure. Other leafy greens high in potassium include Swiss chard, collard greens and arugula. Some of these are also high in nitrates. Nitrates are essential compounds that help manage your blood pressure levels. Number 7, unsalted seeds. Most seeds are rich in potassium, magnesium and a variety of other minerals. Hence, they are good at reducing your blood pressure. Some of the seeds that you could consume to achieve positive results are sunflower, squash, pumpkin and flax seeds. Make sure they are all unsalted though. Otherwise, the sodium balance will be disturbed in your body. This could affect your blood pressure negatively. Number 8, beans. Magnesium and potassium are the key minerals present in most beans. If your diet is rich in any form of beans, be it kidney, pinto or lima, it's a good way to keep your blood pressure in check. Lentils are also rich in these minerals. All of them are loaded with soluble fiber that's known to play a significant role in lowering blood pressure. All the high potassium foods should be a part of your diet if you suffer from high blood pressure. However, it's important to regulate the intake if you are also dealing with any kidney issues. Too much potassium could also interfere with certain medications. Stick to sources of potassium that come from whole foods like the ones I have mentioned in this video to avoid overdoing it. If you do wish to take a potassium supplement, consult your doctor first.